Hey, Math 8 students. Hey, this con will not take you very long, but I just want to make sure you understand the information before you get going on it. So, I'm going to do just kind of a quick little explanation of what parallel lines are as far as the angle slope. So if this angle from here to here is 130, and you'll notice that this one here with parallel lines is exactly the same as this one here, then that one also is 130. You'll also notice that this one is completely opposite of this one, and their angles are exactly the same. So opposite or vertical angles are the same, so that's also 130. Pretty easy. If this is what you got and they ask for this one, it's the same thing. If this is what they've got and they ask you for this other one right here or this one right here, so you should know by now that a full angle, a straight line angle or half a circle is 180 degrees. So if this is 180 degrees and this small angle is 130, then how could you find this one? Hopefully you just said to yourself, well, you would subtract it. 180 minus 130 is 50. So you know that this angle here is 50 or this angle right here is 50 as well. That's how you do it. So let's do this real quick now. Okay, first example. This one is 131. That's the big angle. This angle would be 131. They're asking for the small one, so we're simply going to do 180 minus 131, and that equals 49 right down here. Okay, next one. This big angle is 125. This big angle right here would also be 125. To solve for the small one, we do the 180 minus 125, and that equals 55 degrees. Yes, that easy. The easier ones are if they ask these. This big angle is 116. They're looking for this big angle. Well, they're the same, so it is 116. Just that simple. This small angle here is 81, so this small angle here is also 81. They want the opposite or the vertical angle. We already said those two are the same, so then that one is also 81. That's simple, guys. Good luck. Bye-bye.